Hey there, and welcome to today's video on creating a successful marketing strategy. If you're a business owner or marketing professional, you know that developing an effective marketing plan is essential for reaching and persuading your target audience. In this video, we'll go over some key elements to consider when crafting a successful marketing strategy. So, what goes into a successful marketing strategy? First and foremost, it's important to clearly define your target audience. Understanding who you are trying to reach and what their needs and interests are is essential for developing a marketing plan that resonates with them. Next, consider your unique selling proposition, or USP. It is a marketing term that refers to the unique benefit or advantage that a product or service offers to its customers. The USP is what sets the business apart from its competitors and helps it stand out in the market. For example, a car dealership might have a USP of offering a wide selection of pre-owned vehicles at competitive prices, while a fast food chain might have a USP of using only fresh, high-quality ingredients in its menu items. Developing a strong USP is an important part of a successful marketing strategy, as it helps businesses differentiate themselves from their competitors and persuade customers to choose their products or services over others. What sets your business apart from your competitors? What makes your products or services stand out in the market? Identifying your USP will help you differentiate your business and make a stronger case to potential customers. Another important element of a successful marketing strategy is the marketing mix. That is the combination of product, price, promotion, and place distribution that you use to reach your target audience. Determining the right mix for your business will depend on your target market, budget, and other factors. Finally, don't forget to track and measure the results of your marketing efforts. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, and allow you to continuously improve and adapt your strategy. Well, there you have it, some key elements to consider when creating a successful marketing strategy. Remember to define your target audience, identify your USP, develop a marketing mix, and track and measure your results. With a solid marketing plan in place, you'll be well on your way to reaching and persuading your target audience.